Hi guys, welcome back to Motor Drift. So today we are back with another car, and this car would be everyone's dream car, might be. And I'm welcome back on my show. That's my car, my story. So today I have Faraz with me, who is owning.
It's a 2021 Ford Mustang, American specs, and it is the EcoBoost.
Okay.
Model, yeah.
So Faraz, could you tell me why did you buy this car? What is your experience currently with this car?
So I bought it because I've always liked American muscle cars.
Okay.
They're fun to drive,
Okay.
and especially the EcoBoost. It gives you the thrill and the joy of driving a Mustang
Okay.
without having to spend too much on petrol. You know,
Uh-huh.
the V8 is just will kill you with the petrol, because like working in sales and business development, you have to move around a lot. So I think it gives you the best of both worlds. It gives you the sporty, nice looking car without being too expensive to maintain.
Okay. Would you recommend this car to your family or friends? Like,
Absolutely, because like I said, it gives you it's a sports car. It's very fun to drive, fast, and at the same time, I think it's pretty efficient. The only issue with it is space.
okay.
Two-door car. So if you have like a family, or if you have, you want extra space in the car, that's the biggest limitation. Other than that, it's a very fun car to drive.
Okay. Like, would you shift to EV after driving this car?
Not really, no, I don't think so. Even though the world is heading towards EV cars, but I'm more of a classic car guy. I like the petrol cars, the sound of the engine. EV is just.
Have you ridden any EV?
I have not drove, but I've been in EV cars. Yes, they're boring.
Okay. If like, what's your dream car? After this car, what kind of car we can see?
Man, I have a lot of dream cars, but ever since I was a kid, I always loved the Audi R8.
Oh, okay. That will be your dream.
Yes.
So, what's your like petrol expense for this car? Like for monthly? Around
1,000, 1,200, 300, depends. Sometimes like in a month you move more than previous months, but yeah, around 1,000, 1,200. So
Okay.
it's not bad. It's okay.
Okay. Thank you for us. Thank you being on our show, and hope to see you in your dream car next time.
See you guys,
Okay.
and I wish everybody gets their dream car.
Yeah. Thank you. Like, share, and subscribe to Motor Drift. Thank you.